The music. Good one. Let's make a playlist from it. Let's save it. Good evening, dear fellows. Wait a minute. Okay, let's copy this. Play. Okay. We got this. Why it's so? Let's copy 12. Showing containing folder. No. I want to playlist just to see the containing folder. Okay, we'll create playlist number number 13. Come on. F2. So this would be 13. Quickly to create. Again, let's add to playlist, and we'll save this playlist to here. It will be like 17. Save playlist to file. 17. I think there is already playlist 17, but let's check. Stream playlist. Yes, there is. Never mind. Okay, we'll listen something from it. Don't need to download for now. I wanted to listen something else. But yeah, we need to work, you know. I wanted to work on the rest house, but this just keeping me still with it. The multiplayer thing, Steam multiplayer. So let's check it. So we have maps folder. Do we have? We don't have. Now let's see map. Let's create one. Let's create folder name map. And it will be this one. So this main menu. Is here. We will put it here. Move it into map. under the settings. So we have something working here, but not again properly and all. New MG folder. We want a widget main menu, which we can copy here also. Let's copy. Map, we can duplicate the map. Okay. So this will be the one. Open level blueprint. Let's close those. This one also. So event is there. Just to close this. Yeah, so as I said, I wanted to go into the rest house and to play, to make some things that are easier for me and maybe more interesting for you to watch. But this is really bothering me, this Steam multiplayer, you know, when you need to fix something. So we will stick a little bit with it. I think that's how you're becoming addicted to programming, to problem solving. Hey Blue Bar, hello. I just started and trying to make a Steam game multiplayer working because I had some issues with it. It's not working properly. Should it be a C++ project? I don't think so. So as I said, it's not maybe the for the rest house. For some version, I mean, all what I'm working is for the rest house, but these are just like tests, because there is a rest house multiplayer level, and not sure if I will include, there is already, but maybe I will pull it out and make like a new game for it, new sequel like for the rest house from it, but it will not be soon. First we must work before that on the rest house VR, and then to work on this. So should I just a second. Yeah. So let's go into main menu, level blueprint, and construct. Create a widget. But what we have here, we already created it. Let's try to open this main menu, go into level blueprint. Oh, we didn't. Oh, sorry, because I already created something and now need to create it again because it's not working, or I didn't check it properly. You finish new track? Oh yeah, sure. Just a second to turn off this. Shower butter, is that the one? Okay, we're listening the shower butter. So let's create the widget. I like it. I like that slow. Yeah. That's it, blue bar. I like it. There is atmosphere because I'm visual type of artist. I mean, type of person, guy, whatever, and I'm thinking in visuals, in pictures. Like that's my professional deformation. Because I'm movie director, I immediately look at in pictures, so I see some movie from it. Thank you for sharing. So we need to create some character and also we need to create a game mode. In the world settings, but there is already new game mode. That is like main menu game mode, okay, and we'll need main menu character. Just a second. Create a blueprint class character and call it main menu character. yeah, that's good that we are sharing our work. This can be like, the communities are good for that. So did you use some samples or live recordings? Sure. And we need in this character to change. You use jazz samples. Mm-hmm. Nice, nice, nice. I like it because it's slow written. So we want to remove the gravity of this character, and we will put it to 0 here. If we say, oh, this is a well-known song, we know it. Good. I like the samples that you choose. Let's use that character now in our in our main menu. Okay. And we need, for some reason, to restart the project. Because pawn need to be rebuilded, I think, or just a second. Here. To change levels on the mic, because to boost the levels a little bit. You like? That's from the movie. It's not just a song, but there are few songs. I didn't cut it. I don't have time to set up the songs, but yeah, that's from the movie. The damn what's the translation? Damn. Transition between multiple atmosphere. Yeah, thank you, Blue Bar. Yeah, that's from our documentary. We did it for the documentary. So here in the world settings, are we using it? Let's put it in project settings map to open this one. Editor starter map to main menu. Yeah, default game map to main menu probably. Default game mode. I don't know. In the project settings. Yeah, main menu also. We want to show main menu from the character. So from the event begin play, we want to construct the widget. Nice. And we want to create the widget immediately. So create main menu. Create widget. And it will be main menu. Okay. It will be main menu widget. And we will promote a variable. Call it main menu ref. We have main menu reference now, and we want to add to viewport. And we want to make a function. we'll set widget input. Input. This one is also good, blue bar. They're all good stuff. And we want to set input mode, game and UI. So set input. Set input mode, game and UI. And target will be player controller. Oh, it's a Latin language. I mean, the keyboard letters was different. So get, we want to get player controller. Yeah. So yeah, we have like 90 days, 3 months to finish the game. It will be 31st May when we will release it, then move to VR. I should work more to promote it, but I don't know. The word of mouth would promote it if it's good. If it's not, we should make more. I think our 10th game in 10 years in the game industry would be okay. We will make something, and I will then have, I will be a grandfather then. And let's put the function how to put it here. Okay. And now we want to set show mouse cursor. Set show mouse cursor. Set this to true. Hide. And we want to get it to set it. Set input. Yeah. And get So if we play it now, our mouse will not disappear. Great stuff, great song. And so in the main menu, we must keep it simple. Should we make a new one or delete this one? I don't know, but let's. So yeah, well, let's try to reuse this. So 2 horizontal boxes. Wait a minute. Okay, we'll delete all. We'll delete all of this. Delete this. Move it here. So let's create a vertical box. Vertical box. Vertical box. We want to anchor this to the left, sorry. We'll position it to 15. Zero. And then 100. Or 400. 400 and 400. Okay. Here is okay. And another horizontal box here. And we need overlay. Okay, blue bar, take care in the market. Don't spend so much. Buy just what you need. And don't buy too much candies, and you know, buy healthy food. See if you're buying food. So have a great time in the market. See you around. Thank you for sharing this. It's great stuff, really. Congratulations on it. Peace. So text. We need the overlay. So we have horizontal box overlay, we need button. And need text box. Text box. So we will not need for now overlay. Let's set this to fill button. So with the button we need this right filling and vertical align top, and we want image. Image should be inside of horizontal box. And we'll now do this horizontal box into wrap it up, replace with the vertical box. Can we do it? Yes. So now we get 2, 3. Oh man. No, two vertical box. One button. And the images down there. How to? Let's set the size in brush to, let's see, 2. I don't know. Image size, yep. And into text block. Or into button. And want to remove the alpha, but not for text. For the button. No. Maybe the background. And this is not good. It should be text block. Not this one. Where should we put it? It should be inside a button, okay. Just to check this text. Why it's not in the middle? God damn it. Just need to check the text. Yeah, to be in the middle. So, just thinking what we need to add. So why is image? Why is image there? It should be under it. If we dollar. Need to fix this. I don't like it. Oh man. Vertical. So we want to wrap it into vertical box, I think. Yes. And set size to 1. Okay, I wanted to listen a new music that we made. Where is this coming from? Here. Let's open the music, which is in the music, not here. It's in delete folder maybe. Let's try here. Hey, hello P-Dog, long time no see. Yeah, hello my friend. Yeah, it was a long time. Or I'm fine, thank you. Just want to listen some music that we did. Yeah, this is the one. The other. Let's add all of them. How are you, P-Dog? To close this, maybe even this. Okay. Doing well, great. I'm glad to see that. And we want just to copy the presets for the button background to the color. So into appearance style, we want to copy this and to paste it to the hovered and to the pressed. We should have a layer which say text block there. Yeah, but we don't have our tiny line. Let's see once more. There is. Okay, there is a timeline. And why it's showing me those buttons? If we save all, it will show us again that. So this is, I'm playing in the background. Bam, 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 bam. Maybe I was streaming that also. So create server. We want this here to create a server. We want to give padding offset. And so let's make it offset up to 20. Yeah. And we should add another vertical box. But what is bothering me is white showing. Let's save it. White showing the old many. You see this? Why is it showing? Because of this? Let's just cut it and try it again. So it's almost an hour. We should hurry up, hurry up. Yeah, you see? Again. Let it stay for now. So let's move this vertical box to the left. To the left. And the position would be 50. So this will be 20 and this 100, or this one 20. So this music I will need to rearrange for maybe next game, and or we'll see. I got the project in Ableton, so I will do that in the future. Oh, okay. So this will be you see, you hear a dog is snoring in the background. This will be 500. And this one, no. Okay. And we need to call this create server. A, because we have already one there. And it will be hidden at first. So here will we add a text block. Creating a new server, it will be. Now let's put it in the middle. Let's add another vertical box. This is really interesting, but I know it's not, but need to do that. It's time for candy. So vertical box will be here. We'll set it in the middle, fill to 1. Oh. No. Why? So vertical box will be filled and set it to the middle. Okay. Over here. Padding left and right 100. Add horizontal box. Add the text in it. This text will be server name. So yeah, this multiplayer game, I don't know when I will have time for it. Maybe the end of this year. I don't know, we'll see. But there will be time for just testing and playing with it a little bit. Huh? Start the show. Start. And we will need a text box where we can write in. We set it to fill and set this to fill. Left alignment and size set to 2.2. Or 0.3. Can take this horizontal box and copy and paste it under here. I'll call it max player. Hey Nebel, you can see the game, but I'm currently in the other I will show you I'll show you at Steam. So this is the game. It's all from the game. This is done earlier, this also, but you can see some images from the game. It's first-person puzzle adventure. Yeah, thank you. I'm mixing it, so a little bit of, it's not the best resolution here, but I'm mixing mostly blueprints, yeah. So there are 7 levels. Thank you, Nabi. Yeah, there is. I mean, visuals are good, and everybody agree with that. I mean, not that there can always be better, but they have some atmosphere. But I need to work more on story to implement. There are, of course, but that's my intentions in the next 3 months. and what I'm doing now is multiplayer implementation, because there is multiplayer level, but something got bugged with Steam. Hey blind man, hello again, greetings. So yeah, you can check and see the graphics now there. The game is, it's Steam as early access, and is it oh no, the lunar discount just, it's not yet, but you can win it for free, the game, if you subscribe to YouTube. There is a winning game. Just to see, where is that? There is some link. Multiplayer, yeah. Adventure puzzle. Oh no, multiplayer puzzle. Yeah, yeah, I will think for now. In the multiplayer level, it's like arena shooter, but yeah, I'm thinking about multiplayer puzzle. I must say that it will not be finished for this game, so I will include it probably in some kind of DLC or other version of the game, because I must focus on the story. Thank you, Nebi. Yeah, as I said, game can be also there is I find it. So if you subscribe to YouTube, there is good chance to win the game, so you can try it there. For everybody, there's just few days to ending of that contest. Yeah. Thank you for your interest. So just duplicate this and but we didn't paste it in the good. It should be inside here. No. Can we? Okay, server name. But why it's not? It should be here. Okay, that's good. Oh, and this will be max player. This one. call it max players. Let's delete this. I will get the slider. Put it in the horizontal box. And we'll set it to fill. And the alignment is like perfect. Just copy this. We'll delete the slider here. We'll move it like to 1 auto to fill. Okay. And for this we need a checkbox. We want to check here. And we want to put this into horizontal box. This is so small and hard to see, but okay. And let's copy this now. And we'll paste it in. Yeah, here. We want here use theme. And here we use LAN. Yeah. Just move it here. But why is it? Here. It should be Is it auto? Yeah, okay. We should move this to the right side. Okay, and now it's in the middle. And this we will add the button. Align to the button and fill. And we'll add, where is that button? Wow. Yeah. We'll use onClicked. We want to create advanced. Create advanced session. There isn't advanced session here. What? Is there? Oh, why? I just started to creating this. We should download this plugin. I don't have plugin for this version, I think, which is really bad. So advanced, just to show you where I downloaded. So we're working in 4.17 version of four point 17.2. So we need for 4.17.2. Just, and there is example blueprints. Wow, that's great. So how to install? We just put it inside project folder, plugins, advanced session. Plugins, advanced session. What? So let's see, it's downloaded. just copy, extract to the project. Where is install instructions? So project folder, plugins, advanced session. So let's just copy this, go into, where is the engine? Let's try to find it. Let's try to find, continue. Want the engine. It will be fun, they say. They said. Wood. What will be fun? Blind man. The plugin. Or update of this. So let's go to library. We're looking for this. If we create shortcut, he'll give us. Engine is here, plugins. Let's close the one. Yeah. Plugins. Why script plugin? Do I need to put it in the script plugin or just into plugins? Let's put in both. So let's add here plugins. This one. We are in the good level, just to check the plugins. Advanced session. Advanced team session, restart, okay. Should we add this also? Hey P-Dog, okay. Yeah, see you around. Thank you for stopping by. So we have this plugin. I will check it now. Okay. So on clicked here, or what do we say? On clicked. Yeah. We'll create a session. Advanced session. And we want to get to the server name. And this music is good, but for something, I don't know what. So I was just playing it to speed it up. Okay. So on text created here, on text committed. When we hit enter, we will promote the variable. We'll say server name here. Compile and save it. And for the slider, we'll click and say on value change event here. Come on, music. And we want to value here to promote this, just to see. Now we want to divide. Let's divide this. Okay. And divide maximum players to 50. And to truncate it. To change it to integer. and we'll save it to max players here. And we will see what is with the music. Hey Sniper Echo, good evening. Good evening. I'm doing fine. It's a little bit late, but still doing fine, thank you. How are you, man? So we want to set it. When I see that high number of viewers at Twitch, so I'm feel like, wow, it's 8 viewers, wow, that's something. What time is here? It's 11:33. Half an hour till midnight. Hey Nebby, I cannot tell you exact you know how much, but it depends, because I invested in HTC Vive, and at Steam it's not much, but you can earn with your games and through the bundles. So it depends, but not as Steam is not market your game enough, but you can earn something. It's still a good days for dedicated indie developers, because if you not invest much, you can get something, but that's not much. You cannot live from that, and this is not my job. I'm movie director, so this is like still my hobby, but we'll see. So we need, sorry, a text box here. So that text box, we will put it inside the horizontal box here. And we will bind it to the number just to see in the content. Just to see where it is. Oh, I'm lost. No. Take text and put it here. So we should put it in the slider. Yeah. Here, and we'll call it, let's say 10. And we'll bind it. We'll create a binding. We'll grab the max players. Connect this. And we'll see in the checkbox. And we'll click on check Steam state. We'll make if branch and we'll be checking the LAN here with check. There's two checkbox, but the one for LAN is this one, 37. Okay. Set if checked. Set is checked. To false. So if we click again here, check state, unchecked status here. If we click on checked, this will be false. And we want to create variable. We'll call it use LAN. So I thought that this is like a boring stream with this, but I get more viewers than if I do some level beauty eye candy stuff from the game, because it's interesting. We all want to know how multiplayer work. And it's the struggle. So we will use LAN with question mark here. We'll set this to false here. Yes, Sniper, that's true. And we'll do same for LAN. I mean, it could work like this, but when you test it, I already done something similar and it didn't work. We will see with it, but I gave myself a lot of time. I said till the end of this year we will. And I can recommend these sources if you're trying to make a multiplayer in Unreal. There is 100-page and more documents about why is this? I'm at the end. it's PDF about networking. I didn't watch it too much. I will read it tomorrow probably. Never trust the client. Trusting the client means you don't test the client's actions before executing, and this allows cheating. Good. Good. So yeah, a lot of useful informations there. I like pictures. A lot of stuff there. And it's done by Axie. So yeah. Kedrick. So now let's get back. Did you show me the terrain? Not sure. The PDF, I will tell you. So you can find it here at his Kedrick Nuken site, and I think it's at blog or tutorial. Yeah, it's here. I will share the link. Not sure if I got your terrain. I can permit you if you want to post, to share with us. So on checked, we will do the same. We can copy this, Control W. If someone is first time here in this stream, I'm developing the first-person puzzle game, which is currently at Steam Early Access, and it's called The Rest House. So streaming for a few years, only that, and a little bit of gameplay. No problem, Sniper. Thank you for showing up here. A lot of data, yeah. But we need to get focused in if we want to make this working, I mean, for multiplayer, yeah. So is it? So this one should be checkbox 37. It should be this one, is it? Yeah. And what is left is this start. We go into view. We want to create extra setting here, make array. So enough of this music, huh? What do you think? Okay. Oh, you shared something. I didn't saw it. Wow, great terrain. I really like it. Show more. We want more. How big it is? I mean, how detailed it is. Is that the map? I see the city down there. Yeah, it's really big one. Wow. So share, I'm really interested to know more the details from that, because there is city, it's like a map. Area 51. Oh. Yeah. You're a funny guy, blind man. Did I told you already that? No. Making a lot of the buildings and such. Yeah, wow. 16 kilometers. And how I was watching making of the Knights Kingdom Come Deliverance. So let's see. How big it is. Вот. Не, что? Не видиш се мрак, јебе. Funny. Some Watson building. Awesome. Funny that is my name. I want to see just how big it's. Map size. It's about 17 kilometers. How big? So how big it? How big it is? 3 kilometers? No. And how you achieve that? Did you like put that in some smaller pieces, that map because it's big. 16 kilometers, yeah. I'm interested in that, really. Let's see here. You have it in two versions at the moment, regular and the level streaming setup. Yeah, so it's for single player. So let's say make a literal session property. No. Make literal session property string. Make literal session. This one. The terrain is for multiplayer. It's in field setup also. Tiled setup. Yeah. I didn't play so much with open world. Hey Goliath, greetings. You have online multiplayer. You want to have each player control what to control? Separate character blueprint. Your question is tough. So you want to control separate character blueprints? Like, what do you want exactly to achieve? The server is the king, so all the things you must do from the server is the king. So yeah, you should do that from the server and replicate that. I'm not I'm not so experienced with that, but so you should replicate blueprint communication. If we search for like multiplayer blueprint communication, maybe it can help. Did you watch those kind of things? Blueprint for multiplayer. So you need, probably you replicate it. character, blueprint from monster, and one for the player. On game begin, how can I get the first player to possess the monster? Yeah, sure. Try this and those kind of tutorials. Try that. I mean, it's tough stuff. The multiplayer and replication. I just do the bare minimum, so simple kind of things. So try to find some tutorial, and if it's not the exact what you need, try to change it a little bit. Hey, thank you for the follow. Yes, yeah. Woohoo! Thank you so much. Feels good. Yeah, how I'm doing is like take all the tutorials from the subject that I'm looking for, and then just took the simplest one and learn from it. So that's recommendation. We will add the game name here. We'll add like password or something, and server name. Get this. And get max players and connect them up there. Public connections. Get use LAN. Use LAN. So we need here a player controller. Yeah, speaking about the game Kingdom Deliverance, I really like that CryEngine stuff with plants and things. I would like to play more with in Unreal with it, but we'll see after we create the session here. We will open the level then on success, of course. Open a level. And we will say offset the button. Yeah, it's 20. Hey Goliath, the game Rest House, it's, I will just type it here. The game is like first person adventure, puzzle adventure, and it's available at Steam. It's early access, so it's it's the sequel of the same name movie, The Rest House, so it's connected from a few short stories, short movies. You're unlocking the stories by unlocking the levels. Your main goal is to come to the end to each of the levels and to unlock the story, so you're at the end will unlock the feature movie, the same name, feature movie. And in that story you are in the role of Don Quixote, so that's like a parallel story and a narrator, and there are small portions and stories about that Don Quixote, which I'm working on that implementation. But yeah, I started from that feature movie and then I'm just expanding it. Thank you, Goliath. Yeah, it's sound, but you know, to make it happen I need to work more on the story, and I'm here bothering with multiplayer, with which you're just a crappy RPG. No problem. And no problem, because games have its own stories and way. If it's playable, it don't need to have the story. If its game is playable, story can help a lot of to the game. But if game is not playable, even the good story cannot help. It can help, but if there are good games with bad stories, but there are not opposite is difficult and different. If you understand, you can make a good game with a bad story, but you can make if gameplay is bad, story cannot help much. You cannot make a good game with the story. So that's totally okay if you have those assets. And RPG games have its own atmosphere and design, and it's not storytelling just. It's not the movie, it's not you know, it took all from the previous arts, like from the painting, from the storytelling, from movies, from music. It's all combined, but it has its own playability. Like mapping a lot. How do you think mapping? Yeah, that's issue. Like all it's basic, yeah, attacks and simple boss fight. No, that's totally fine. No one would really play it for fun. But if you have good boss fights and good if they're interesting fight, you can put and make a good story. But if it's a shitty gameplay, the story cannot help it much. So let's just see what we have here. We want to open a level. And our level should be third person level. A good question. I need to permit you. Really, it will not be banned, but you would be timeout, so yeah. Thank you for asking. Now you can post some links. So we need to find the map in the third person. Maps, third person, BP maps, and just to see. And this is, I think, the level. Yeah. Let's go to main menu again. Copy this level. Just here. And option. We need to add listen. Because our game need to listen to the other. We can try it now, but first, hey, Golir, just I must permit you again. Oh, just a second. Just a second. Yeah, I would like to see the gameplay. I like those green fields and such, but I'm assuming that in your game the gameplay it's the main weapon. So if you have some video in the future to share, please do. I'm interested to see that. Thanks for sharing. And here we need to make the widget visible. That's the thing, you think coded the weapon really badly. Try to look at some tutorial and try to recreating from that and then implement in your game. That's the easiest way. Yeah, because it's easy to get lost there. Try that link that I sent you. There are customizable characters and blueprint. I didn't watch it, but I see there are some customization. Yeah, but simple fights could be fun also. So we need to make this visible. On clicked the button. need to set visibility. No, but of the widget. The widget, yeah. And create server. Where is that? Not the widget, but server. Do we need to promote this? No, it should be here. How it's not? You have in the boss blueprint you coded it so when it collides with the sword it takes damage, okay? How to code it so if a sword collides with something then it finds a health variable inside that actor's blueprint and removes a number from I would show you mine blueprint, but it's not open. I'm now in the different project, but try some there's some I make it with punching. Okay, blind man, if you say so. I didn't play Witcher. Blocking. Yeah, you should find, if you stop next time I can show you the blueprint from the game. I made that like if player is punching, the main character will losing health. Just think you need the simplest way of health damage. Yeah, and it's not so hard if you can try, you know what, on damage you have the character. The character is the simplest way. In the main character or in the one which is hitting, you take just, you can take damage. You have here in the capsule, you can on take damage. On component hit, when somebody hit you, you can set a variable to minus something. But you can find some tutorials there. Okay, let's just I need here create server. Why it's not there, man? Why? Create server is that vertical box. This one. This. So it's create server. Yeah. So we want to set visibility of it. And put it to visible, yeah. So it should, let's see, plain standalone now. Now we'll see if it's working or what. So this is from the previous project. We need a different one, and it's not opening. No, no. No, no. Why? Is it create server? This is the one. Create server A. But where is... Oh man. It's the vertical box. Is variable that? You mean that? Yeah. Thank you. Thank you, Maman. Thank you. Yeah, I totally forgot. Yeah. Yeah, that's it. So great. I just realized when you say that before, just in the same time, that I'm missing something there. So we are playing in standalone. There should be play. Okay. So Steam is working. The widget. So if you click here, Steam is working. This one is not updating. So test. It stayed there. Use Steam. Okay. We need to change few things. In the max players text. Need to make variable from this also. It's text block 1, and then we want to get it, and to set it to slider. So set text, text, no, so set text. It should be this one, and connect this one. And we want to remove binding. And in the third person character, with event begin play. Begin play. Want to set input. Input mode game only. And get player controller from here. And hit play now to see. It will not work probably. Create server. Nope. So on text, so we want to try it with float. Float to float probably. No. This one. And it will be 15. And then we need to truncate. And text box will be variable. And get text box. what we did. Not sure for this binding. Is it working now? Let's check. Yes. Thank God. So this is our server, number of players using Steam. We need to play. Yeah. Everything is working, just we will put here text. Say play. Put it black. Say play. Okay. Okay, people. Thank you for watching this. So it wasn't so boring, I think, or it was in some way, but it was interest for those of you that are interested in multiplayer like I am now. But yeah, it's hard. I'll be sticking with single player, just trying to reach this. And if you are, thank you for watching, for following. If you're interested to see my other videos, you can subscribe to YouTube channel. That's how you can support me more. You can find the game in Steam. You can subscribe to YouTube if you want to get the game for free. I will do that link again, post it. So yeah, it's available that it's limited time for that subscription to YouTube if you want to win the game, so hurry up. And yeah, you can find more infos about me and the game below the stream and on my site. I'm streaming every day from 10 to midnight Central European time, and sometimes streaming IRL and sometimes gameplay. I didn't finish the Kingdom Come. I would like, but you know, this is what we need to do first. So yeah, I will play the trailer and we'll end the stream soon. So this is like gameplay. Thanks again for, hey, insert name beach, sorry. So yeah, I'm just finishing the stream, and yeah, I did some multiplayer stuff. You can check it other channels. This is some speed up gameplay from the game. Thank you for stopping by. And what can I say? Have a good night. Have a good day. Have a good life. Have a good lunch. Have a good life, did I say that? Yeah, have a good gameplay. Wish you all good, all best. So yeah, it's 12:30 here. Need to get up in the morning to go to work. I'm working as TV director. I'm in director at national television, so it will be interesting tomorrow. I hope you can check this game, and yeah, it's first person puzzle adventure, so I will be played a little bit more for you, so but not. Can I put it in slow mode? Play speed slow. Yeah, it's better like this. So yeah, stay tuned for more. See you around. This will be open for some time. So yeah. Cheers. Hardcore.
Preživel. Da stopiram, šta? Ti se čuo? A? Ti se čuo?